Hi, I'm ABC Melon.
A is for apple, apple. The red apple mold presses deep into the sand. Apple, apple. B is for bucket, bucket. The bright blue bucket fills up with golden sand. Bucket. C is for castle, castle. The big sand castle stands high under the sun. Castle. D is for dump truck, dump truck. The yellow dump truck tips the heavy sand down. Dump truck. E, earth mover. The toy earth mover pushes a wonderful earth mover. F is for fence. The little cars parked by the wooden garden fence. Fence. G is for gears. Gears. The plastic toy gears turn around in a ring. Gears. H is for hammer. Hammer. The small toy hammer goes tap tap on the ground. Hammer. I is for island. Island. The small toy jug pours water on the dry sand. J jug. K is for kitchen. Kitchen. The sandbox kitchen set bakes a pretty sand cake. Kitchen. L is for log. Log. The small trucks drive along the wooden border. Log. M is for mountain. Mountain. The giant sand mountain stands so big and tall. Mountain. N is for net. The nylon toy net holds the shapes in a pack. In a net. O is for ocean. Ocean. The ocean fish mold leaves a print on the floor. Ocean. P is for plank. Plank. The red truck drives across the smooth wooden plank. Query. R is for rake. Rake. The long plastic rake leaves lines in the dirt. Rake. S for shovel. Sturdy red shovel scoops up a big pile. S is shovel. Sis tractor. Tis for tractor. T-town tractor. The big green tractor rolls on the soft sand. T-town tractor. T-town tractor Uding. You are unloading. You unloading. Loading. You unloading. Every toy vehicle straight in a neat row. V-V-V-ho. W is for wheel. The big plastic wheel spins around in the track. Wheel. X is for X mark. X mark. The X marking signs where the trucks must go. X mark. The backyard yard holds the sandbox so neat. Z is for zigzag. A zigzag line is drawn right in the track. Zigzag. ABC. One big apple, red and sweet. Two crunchy cookies, such a treat. Three yellow bananas in a row. Four red strawberries, watch them grow. Five juicy oranges, round and bright. Six little cupcakes, what a delight. Seven green grapes, one by one. Eight slices of pizza, having fun. Nine yummy donuts on a plate. 10 little cherries, they taste great. A is for airplane. Airplane, fly a small plastic jet down to land in the soft sand. Airplane. B is for bench. Bench, line up the heavy trucks neatly on the low wooden guard bench. Bench. C is for concrete mixer. Kiss a concrete mixer, spin the plastic drum round to mix the dry dirt. Kiss a conch mixer. D is for digger. Digger, scoop up a giant pile of mud with a big mechanical cloud. Digger. E is for excavator. Excavator, turn the toy cabin sideways and drop the dirt in a heap. Excavator. F is for fruit mold. Fruit mold, press a yellow banana shape flat into the damp sandbox floor. Fruit mold. G is for gravel. Garage, pour Pour a small cup of tiny gray stones into the truck bed. Gravel. H is for hut. Lift the round plastic bowl to leave a little mud house. I-inchworm toy. K kettle. Tilt the toy plastic teep out to pour water in the sand tracks. J jeep. K is for kettle. Kettle. L loader. Push the wide front forward to clear with a flat stick. M mud. N is for nut and bolt. Nut and bolt. Twist the big plastic toy screw into the construction truck wheel. Nut and bolt. O is for oil can toy. Buy one into the blue bucket. Oil can toy. Pretend to fix the tractor engine with a little plastic dropper. Oil can toy. P is for pebbles. Pebbles. Drop small smooth stones one by one. One into the blue bucket. Pebbles. Q is for quarry pit. Quarry pit. Roll 3 big dump trucks down into the deep sandy hole. Road roller. R. Roll the heavy metal cylinder to make the dirt completely flat. R road roller. S a sifter. S a sifter. T is for tractor. Teen tractor. Pull a heavy toy wagon behind the green tractor wheels. T-stand tractor. U is for under the bridge. You under the bridge. Drive a tiny car right underneath the flat wooden plank. Wally wheel van. Open the tiny back doors of the toy delivery van. Wally wheelbarrow. Push the single front wheel across the backyard grass. Move Wally wheelbarrow. X is for X sign. X signs. 2 small wooden twigs together to make a digging cross. X sign. Y as for yellow tire prints left behind in the wet mud. Zig tracks. Zip up my jacket tight. One soft teddy bear, give him a hug. 2 speedy cars, zoom on the rug. 3 stacking blocks, built up so high. 4 bouncy balls. action. The sturdy red shovel starts its busy dig in action. Action. B is for berry. Berry. The sturdy red shovel scoops to bury a small toy car. Berry. C is for claw. C is for claw. Key C claw. The sturdy red shovels out sand to make a deep hole. Did a deep hole. Did a deep hole. E is for empty. E empty. Turn the shovel, empty the wet dirt onto the grass. E empty. F is for fill. Fill. Watch the sturdy red shovel fill a square plastic box. Fill. Heap. Drop the sand slowly to build the ground. The sturdy red presses down to make the ground flat. K. H is for heap. H is for heap. Heap. Drop the sand slowly to the big high heap. Heap. J join. I is for gather to J join. L lift. Lift a giant of golden sand. High and keep digging. K keep digging. L is for lift. L lift. Lift a giant scoop of golden sand high into the air. L lift. M is for mixer. The sturdy red shovel acts a mixer board and dirt. I'm a mixer. N is for new spot. N in a new spot. N a new spot. P is for pile. N a new spot. Pile. The sturdy red shovel creates a wonderful honor of the side. Pile. Q is for quick scoop. Q quick scoop. Quick scoop. Take one more quick of dry sand before we rest. Q quick scoop. R is for raise. R raise. Raise the red plastic handle up to show the big catch. R raise. S is for shovel. Shovel. The sturdy red shovel scoop a giant pile of sand. Tip. The red shovel forward to drop the rocks gently. Tip. U is for underneath. Underneath. V is for vertical line. V is for vertical line. Use the sharp blade, cut a straight vertical line in the mud. V is for vertical line. W is for wet sand. Wet sand. The sturdy red shovel moves a heavy block of wet sand. Wet sand. X is for X cut. X cut. Slice the shovel twice to make a clear cut in the ground. Y is for young builder. E, the young builder works happily with his favorite. E is for zigzag path. Z, zigzag path. Drag the tip of the shovel back and forth to zigzag path. Apple crunch. Eat a sweet red apple. B, bun. Yum. Eat a soft sweet bun. Key, cake. Yum. Bite the sweet birthday cake. Bite the sweet birthday cake. Donut. Look at the round donut with pink frosting. E, egg. Crack the shell and cook a round egg. F, fish. Yum. Eat the hot fish for dinner. G, jug. Grapes. Pop the juicy little grapes in your mouth. H, honey. Sweet honey made by the little bee. I, ice cream. Lick the cold sweet ice cream cone. J, juice. Sip the cold orange juice from your cup. K, kiwi. Cut open the little green kiwi fruit. L, lemon. Sour lemon makes me blink my eyes. M, milk. Drink a cup of cold white milk. N, nuts. Crunch. Chew the small brown nuts. O, onion. Look, I got the round white onion on the table. Peas. Pop the tiny green peas out of the pod. Q, peas. Pop the tiny green peas out of the pod. Q, quince. Look at the yellow fruit hanging on the tree. Raw. Rice. Eat the hot white rice with a spoon. S, soup. Blow on the hot soup in your bowl. T, tomato. Pick a round red tomato from the vine. U,